Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video we are going to explain the DFC 7220 and 7230, complete the wiring diagram and all the pin out and pin in detail in this videos. Before the starting the video, I small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. As you can see here, behind the DFC 7220 and 7230, the complete TB and terminals output details. As you can see here, we have terminal 39 to 46 and terminals 47 to 50, and also 51 to 55, 60 to 67, and also 1 to 11 and 15 to 19 and 20 to 30, 22 to 30. I will explain each of them by detail. So let's get started. Pin number 1 is a DC plant supply input. This is the input supply of the DFC controller. Okay. Pin number 2 is a DC supply input positive. Okay. One is negative, 2 is positive. This supply is for to on the controller. Okay. This is the controller power up supply. Okay. Pin number 3 is emergency stop input, which is coming from the emergency push button out from the NC. When you give the positive supply to the emergency NC input and then out from the emergency push button from the NC contact and give to provide to the controller pin number 3. Okay, this is the emergency stop input, which is DC power positive supply. As you can see here in a detail, plant supply positive, also supply output 1 and 2, recommended maximum fuse 20 ampere. Okay, you need to put a 20 ampere fuse middle between of the emergency push button. Okay, pin number 4 and 5, this is the 2 relay output. Okay, pin number 4 is output relay A, relay number A fuel output. This is the positive plant supply positive output. As you can see, plant supply positive from the terminal 3, 15 amperes rated. Fixed is a fuel relay to electronic engine is not configurable. Okay, this is the only small amount of 15 amperes output for the fuel relay. Okay, and also as you can see, pin number 5 is output relay B number relay. This is for use to start the engine. Okay, only you need to operate only the fuel turning on relay and also the starter motor relay through these two contacts. One is for fuel, one is for the starter. Okay, pin number 6, this is the charging fail exciting, which is mentioned on a charging alternator D plus or WL. Take one wire from the charging alternator and provide it to pin number 6 of the DFC controller. Okay, and pin number 7 is a functional earth. Here is you need to give the engine chassis or the all sensor ground here in a pin number 7. Okay, pin number 8, 9 and 10 and 11, this is the spare relay. Okay, as you can see here is a plant supply positive from the terminal 3, terminal 2, 3 amperes rated. This is the spare relay, you can use for any purpose. Okay, but this is the digital output of the controller. Okay, so let's move to the pin 15 to pin 19. All sensor common return. Okay, take from all sensor common junction and take one wire here. You need to put it in a pin 15. Okay, common the all sensor return, and then provide it to pin number 15. Pin 16 is a oil pressure input. Okay, connect to the oil pressure sensor, and then one wire take from the oil sensor and input here in a pin 16. Pin 17 is a coolant temperature input. Pin 18 is a fuel level input, and pin 19 is a flexible sensor not available on a 7200 model, 7200 model. Okay, now let's move to the another pins from pin 22 to 30, 22 and 23 and 24. This is the magnetic pickup unit NPU inputs, positive, negative, and common wire, or you can call shield wire. Okay, pin 25, 26, and 27. Pin 25 and 26 is CAN high, CAN low input, and pin 27 is a CAN port common. Okay, pin 28, pin 29, and also pin 30. Here is a negative 120 ohm resistor inputs, negative and positive, and also the shield screen wire. Okay, from pin 39 to 46, here is, as you can see, this is the configurable relay, output relay C, C, and output relay D, D. Okay, this is, here is a two relay, two commons contacts, and two, as you can see, all are output. Okay, two is a CC and two is a DD. Okay, output relay. Here is another notes, as you can see, normally configured to control main control coil. Okay, it's only used for the relay coils, not too much load. Okay, recommended 10 ampere fuse for the safety purposes. Okay, from pin 43 to 46, this is the generator voltage monitoring input, L1 in 43, 44, L2, 45, L3, and 46 generator input in neutral input. Okay, pin 47 to pin 50, here is a mains voltage monitoring. Okay, mains, this control is used for the synchronization or the ATS control. Okay, main three phases as one neutral input here is. Okay, and here is a our current transformer installation method, as you can see, from P1 to P2. Okay, as you can see, here is a method, and P2 is used for the load side, and P1 is the input side of the power cable. Okay, pin 51, pin 52, and pin 53, here is a CT, three CT inputs. Okay, and pin 54 is do not connected. Pin 55 is common for the CT connected. All CT common here is you need to connect all CT common here in pin 55. Okay, pin 60 to 67, this is the configurable digital input. Okay, you need to configure this all digital input for your special purposes. Okay, here is, you can see, location of RS485 connector. Now let's move to the software programming. Little bit overview about on us parameter setting and programming by the manually. As you can see, the navigation buttons. Okay, the tick mark button, you need to press the tick mark button for the 4 second at the same time with the stop button. Okay, this goes to in a parameter setting mode. Okay, and also the red button for the stop mode, and the select manual mode, and also the select auto mode, and mute the alarm lamp test, and also start when engine in manual mode. Okay, this is the key. Now let's move to for the configuration state screen. As you can see, connect your software and open the controller, select the model and open. Okay, as you can see, the home mode display pages. As you can see here, the display pages. What is the setting inside the configuration? Engine speed, oil pressure, coolant temperature, engine battery voltage, run. This is all the parameter and monitoring. As you can see, the contrast and also the engine configuration. As you can see, engine fuel level, serial port, DRT, DTR. This is all the complete setting of the this controller. So I hope to watch this complete video. If you have further any question, any problem, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you the complete detail in the configuration software and also the wiring diagram manual PDF. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time and goodbye.